The Campus Recreation Center is excited to welcome you back to campus, Yellow Jackets. Things are going to look different with a lot of new rules in place. Here's what you need to know to make your health and well-being journey a safer one. Reservations are now required for the day, time, and CRC space you wish to visit. Time slots are 45 minutes each, and you can reserve them up to 24 hours in advance. The CRC will close intermittently throughout the day for cleaning. For a full list of hours, reservation times, and which areas, machines, and services are open and closed, be sure to check out the CRC website. You will be asked to sign a new waiver and member agreement. Bring your buzz card to check in. Wear your face covering during this time, even if you're waiting outside. Bring your own water bottle. Water fountains will be closed, but filling stations will be available for you to fill up your bottle. You will get your temperature checked when you arrive. If you register a fever of 100.4 or more, you will be asked to leave. Come dressed in whatever clothing you'll be wearing to work out in. Please remember that locker rooms and showers will be closed during this first phase of reopening. Wash your hands frequently. Wear a face covering, except in the pool, and practice social distancing of 6 feet or more while in the facility. Don't feel well? Please stay home. The CRC will perform daily deep cleaning of our spaces and high-touch areas. Do your part too. Finally, if you don't want to visit us in person, the CRC offers group fitness classes, workouts of the day, esports offerings, and even outdoor recreation ideas, all online. We are committed to keeping you safe and healthy during this time. Remember, jackets protect jackets. Welcome to campus.